Hello and welcome to this FeedbackExpress tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to go over how you can change the settings for when a campaign will send your message to a customer. So the first thing you need to do is you need to navigate to your campaign screen, which we are currently in, and then select the campaign in question you wish to edit the time when the message itself is sent. As you can see on the campaign, the default setting, or what setting you have currently set for your campaign, will be displayed here. So this campaign I've set up has the sent 7 days after order delivered, so that's when messages will be sent through here now to our customer. You can edit this by clicking on the campaign, scrolling down and hitting the edit this message button. Now, as you can see, we're currently in the edit screen for our campaign. The section that you'll be looking for where you can make amendments to when the message will be sent is down in the send section. In this tutorial we're going to focus primarily on these two boxes here. So we've got the time frame box and the trigger box. First thing I'll focus on is the trigger box. So there are currently 4 triggers that can be used to dictate when a message will be sent. First one being order confirmed. So the minute that an order is confirmed on your Seller Central account, we'll use that as a trigger. We'll receive notification of that being done. Order dispatched is when we will receive notification from Amazon that the order has been sent out to the customer. Order delivered works differently for both FBA and MFN listings. With any order that is fulfilled by Amazon, we will receive a notification from them the minute that the order itself has been delivered to the customer. With MFN listings, it's a bit different. We do not receive any notification from the courier service that you're using to deliver the product. So instead, what we will use is the delivery estimate that you have set for your product to be delivered. So say for example, if you had an order with a delivery estimate of between 3 to 5 days, we will use the longest time frame for an order itself to be used before we will trigger the order delivery. So on the 5th day we would trigger that and send out the message based on what timescale you've got. The 4th option we've got as well is positive feedback left. So for customer service campaigns or product reviews, or if customers have just left positive feedback already, we can send a message immediately or based on what time criteria you've got set on your time. So looking at the time criteria, you can send a message anywhere between from immediately after a trigger has applied up to 10 weeks after the trigger has applied. So in this instance we can have a message sent out immediately after the order is delivered, or say 10 weeks after the order is delivered. There are plenty of options to take advantage of. A handy little combination you can use is that you can send a message out for a product review immediately after positive feedback has been left on your account. Now, one thing to take a note here is that currently positive feedback left is grayed out slightly. If you have not completed your positive feedback integration on the account, if you hover over, you'll see that the message will pop up here now, and it's kind of clipped out a wee bit on the video. It says must have linked positive feedback first. You can do this on the channel screen. So what you'll need to do is just make sure your positive feedback is connected to your account, so that we will receive notification of positive feedback being left, and then a message can go out. This can be a wee bit of a sticking point sometimes, but as long as you've completed the full setup, you'll be completely fine to send out messages. And all you need to do is select the option you want, so order dispatched, and I'd like to have it say 10 days after order dispatched, I'll send this message. You can change it around, and then once you're done, all you need to do is hit save. Options are all saved. Save and close. Let's go back to the campaigns menu. Now you can see the settings that we have now just set have been updated. So sent 10 days after order is dispatched. Now I hope you found this tutorial helpful. There are plenty more to come. We hope to see you in the next tutorial. Have an excellent day.